Wonderful. Let me now show you how to add new elements to existing array. And you could do that using either index or push method of the array. Let's try both. And first let's use square brackets notation. For that, please type name of the variable hobbies. Next will be square brackets notation, and let's, for example, add a new element with index 2, like that. And value will be, for instance, books, like that. And as usually, let's print to the console value of the variable hobbies, like that. And now I see array with 3 elements: snowboarding, swimming, and books. But what happens if I modify here index and add element with index, let's say 5, not 2. Let's save changes, and now here I see array with 6 elements: snowboarding, swimming, 3 empty elements, and afterwards books element. And actually now length of this array is 6. And by the way, there is special property in every array called length, and using such property you could read length of any array. Let's try that actually here, console.log hobbies.length. If I save changes, I'll see number 6. Again, any array has such property. If I comment this line and save changes, I'll see that length of the array is 2, because now it has only 2 elements. That's why such square brackets notation for adding new elements to existing array is not really good, because usually you want to add new element at the end of existing array. Hobbies. Next will be dot and push. And afterwards let's call this method and let's pass to it argument called books, like that. Let's save changes, and now I see that array was updated and new element books was added after previous elements, and now it has index 2. And now length of the array is 3. That's how you could add elements at the end of the array. You could call such push method multiple times. For example, hobbies.push, and let's add one more element, for example, chess. And now length of the array is 4, and new element was added after previous elements, like that.